What will it display when I run this? Save, run, it displays 3. How come it displays 3? Think of A index 1. What is that saying? Each thing is separated by a comma inside a list. This is one thing. This is another thing. The index location of these things starts at 0. Like if somebody's fixing to run a marathon, right when they begin, they haven't run any miles, so they're at 0 miles. This is index 0. The next one is index 1, like somebody running a mile. This is index 0. This is index 1. When I put 1 here, it's grabbing this. If I print just this, it'll show 3, 4. So print it, and it shows 3, 4. Now, if I wanted this element, that's at location 0. So I can put that 0, save, run it, and it shows 3. That's how nested lists work in Python. Can go more and more layers, such as have a list of list of list. This is a list of 2 things, and this is a list of 2 things. It can get a little bit confusing looking, but see if we can simplify it some. Just look at the starting and ending brackets. Here's the starting bracket, and here's the ending bracket. They're color-coded on here, which helps. That's a start, and that's an end. That's a start, and that's an end. If I want to grab this list of lists, since that's in the 0th location, I can do print a index 0, and it will display this. Save and run it, and there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I wanted to grab this set instead, if you notice, this is the comma that's separating all of this. So index 1, and that'll display 5, 6, 7, 8. Save and run it, and there's 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can picture this and say, which thing do I want out of here? Just if I want this section, that's the 0th element, element number 1. Okay, if I want this, that's the 0th element, put index 0, and it should display 5, 6. So save, run it, and there's 5, 6. If I want to say that element, that's element 0, so I put that again. Then save, run it, and there's 5. That's how nested lists work in Python. You can keep going more and more layers. It gets a bit more complex, but these are some of the main fundamentals of how it works. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks.